Hello, good day to you and welcome to my channel. Do you want to know how to withdraw from Risevest Fixed Income before maturity? Then work with me. Withdrawing your Risevest Fixed Income plan before the set maturity date involves a two-part process. The first process is by moving your funds from your locked plan into your Rise wallet. And the second one is by withdrawing from your wallet to your local bank or mobile money account. So once you have launched into the Risevest app, then you go on to invest. On your dashboard, just below the navigation bar, you click on invest, and then you select your fixed income plan, whichever plan you want to withdraw your money from. Then you tap withdraw, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Then you have to review the early withdrawal notice that there is a 5% breaking fee that applies to early withdrawals. Then you can confirm your transaction. Once it is confirmed, the available balance after deducting the penalty will immediately move into your Rise wallet. So after doing that, the next thing is to transfer your balance from your Rise wallet to your bank account. So all you have to do is tap into the wallet on your screen, then you select the USD or the Naira wallet depending on where your funds were credited. So whichever one that it is, you tap into it, then you click on withdraw. So after tapping on withdraw, you choose your destination where you want your money to go to. So you would either withdraw to your bank account or you withdraw to your crypto wallet. So whichever one you want to put, then you have to put it into it. So your bank accounts are only for Nigeria or Momo account, and also your Momo account has to be for Ghana, Kenya or Uganda. So you have to select the linked bank account. That is if you want to use your bank account. Then if it is not linked, you tap on new. You tap on new to select the bank account. So enter your transaction PIN or complete the required OTP verification to authorize the request. After that, you have been able to withdraw your money before maturity date into your preferred account.